What's going on, people? Welcome to one more watch please. In this channel I do watch unboxing videos, watch reviews, and I also speak to watch enthusiasts, watch collectors, and watchmakers on several different watch related topics. I will also be talking about micro brands, and I will also be giving away watches on this channel. So if you are someone who's passionate about watches, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. So every time there is a new video that I post, you will get the notification first. And you'll also make sure that you'll be the first one in the giveaways that I do. So in this video, I'm going to be unboxing this new watch that I just got. So without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing. So let's just have a look at the box first. So it's a really nice and elegant box, really nice and simple. It's a magnetic box. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Are you excited? I'm really excited. Oh, so we've got a microfiber cloth with Pagani Design logo on it. That's really handy to keep your dial nice and shiny. We have got a Pagani Design tag. Can you see that? We also have a Pagani Design warranty guarantee card, but it's not signed. But generally, these watches are pretty cheap and they're quite well built, so you shouldn't really have any problem. It's nice and handy anyway. And we also have an instruction manual. Let's put it on the side. And there we have the start of the show. It's the Pagani Design PD-2770. It's a homage to the Seiko Presage Cocktail Time Edition. I'll put that watch on the screen so you know which one I'm talking about. It's a really nice watch. I really like the dial. It's got like a sunburst effect. I don't know if you can see. It's all stainless steel. Not really a fan of the bracelet, so I might even change this bracelet, or I'll my plan is to give this watch away to one of the lucky subscribers when I hit a milestone of 100 subscribers. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel and keep an eye on the giveaways. The clasp looks a bit cheap. There's a bit of a struggle to push this clasp back. You can see it's an automatic watch. So yeah, my plan is to use this watch for a week, and I'll come back with a 1 week review for the watch, and then I'll do another review after a month, and maybe I'll do a 6-month update as well if I still have this watch and I haven't given this away to one of my subscribers. So yeah, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll link the watch in the description below, and that will be an affiliate link. So if you like the watch, make sure you use that link to purchase the watch, so I get a small commission, and that will help me to buy more watches and review for you guys in this channel. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate your love and support to the channel. If there are any specific watches you want me to review on this channel, then make sure you put the watch name in the comment section below. If any of the specific watches gets over 50 comments, then I'll go ahead and purchase that watch and I'll review that on my channel. And who knows, I might also be giving away that watch to one of the subscribers or someone who comments on this video. And again, make sure you subscribe the channel, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.